Welcome back everyone, and a very warm welcome to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we are diving deep into the Oppo A6 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is creating a lot of buzz in the budget 5G segment. Oppo promises a powerful combination of performance, design, battery life, and smooth user experience, all packed into an affordable device. So let's find out if the Oppo A6 Pro 5G truly delivers or not. Starting with the design, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G looks surprisingly premium for its price range. The back panel has a clean and modern finish with a stylish camera layout that instantly gives flagship vibes. The phone feels solid in hand, with rounded edges that make it comfortable to hold even during long usage. Despite having a large display and battery, the weight distribution is well balanced, making it ideal for daily use. Now let's talk about the display, which is one of the strongest features of the Oppo A6 Pro 5G. The phone comes with a large, immersive display combined with a smooth high refresh rate. Scrolling through apps feels fluid, animations look clean, and watching videos on platforms like YouTube or Netflix is a pleasant experience. Colors are vibrant, contrast is decent, and brightness levels are good enough for outdoor usage. For users who enjoy multimedia and gaming, this display definitely adds great value. Moving on to performance, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor designed for efficiency and stability. Day-to-day tasks such as social media, video streaming, web browsing, and multitasking run smoothly without noticeable lag. App switching is fast, and the phone maintains consistent performance even after extended use. For gaming lovers, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G delivers a solid experience. Popular games run smoothly on medium to high settings, with stable frame rates and controlled heat management. Casual gamers will enjoy long gaming sessions without facing major throttling issues. The combination of a smooth display and optimized processor makes gaming more enjoyable in this price segment. A major highlight of this phone is its 5G connectivity. With faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and lower latency, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is a future-ready smartphone. As 5G networks continue to expand globally, this phone ensures you stay ahead without needing to upgrade anytime soon. Now let's move to the camera performance. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G features a well-optimized camera setup that performs reliably in most lighting conditions. In daylight, photos come out sharp with good detail and natural colors. The dynamic range is decent, and HDR helps balance highlights and shadows effectively. Portrait shots have good edge detection, and background blur looks natural. In low light conditions, the camera still manages to capture usable photos thanks to Oppo's software optimization. While it may not compete with flagship camera phones, it performs better than expected for its category. Video recording is stable, and the camera is suitable for casual content creation, social media posts, and everyday memories. Talking about battery life, Oppo has equipped the A6 Pro 5G with a large battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Even with heavy usage like gaming, video streaming, and mobile data, the phone comfortably gets through the day. For moderate users, battery backup can even stretch beyond one day. The phone also supports fast charging, which is a big advantage. You don't need to wait for hours to charge your device. A short charging session gives enough power to keep you going, which is extremely useful for users with busy schedules. On the software side, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G runs on the latest version of ColorOS, which is smooth, clean, and packed with useful features. The interface feels responsive, and Oppo has done a good job with system optimization. You get customization options, privacy controls, performance modes, and smart features that improve overall usability. The software experience is stable and beginner-friendly, making it suitable for all types of users. Audio performance on the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is also decent. The speaker output is loud and clear, making it good for watching videos, listening to music, or attending online calls. Call quality is stable, and network reception remains strong in most environments. So now the big question, is the Oppo A6 Pro 5G worth buying? If you are looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone with a premium design, smooth display, reliable performance, good battery life, and a clean software experience, then the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is definitely a strong contender. It offers a well-balanced package that covers almost everything a modern smartphone user needs. This phone is perfect for students, office users, casual gamers, and anyone who wants a future-ready 5G phone without spending too much money. Oppo has focused on delivering real-world performance rather than just flashy specifications, and that clearly shows in the overall experience. If this detailed review helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more honest smartphone reviews, unboxings, and comparisons. Your support motivates us to bring more high-quality tech content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Tech Unbox Pro Rocket Cell Phone.